The state attorney general has taken new legal action against the PWSA. More than 160 criminal charges being filed. John Delano has reaction from the Water and Sewer Authority.
State Attorney General Josh Shapiro says the Pittsburgh Water and Sewer Authority engaged in criminal conduct by violating the state's Safe Drinking Water Act.
These charges, 161 counts total, are in connection with how the Water and Sewer Authority failed in its duty to notify Pittsburgh residents that it was replacing lead service lines, putting them at risk to consume lead in their drinking water.
Specifically, Shapiro claims the PWSA did not replace the required number of lead lines in 2017 as required by the Department of Environmental Protection, failed to notify residents of line replacements when it did do so, and did not take and analyze samples from the new lines within 72 hours as required.
Those failures are criminal violations. Pennsylvanians have a constitutional right to clean air and pure water.
The PWSA said it was, quote, deeply disappointed in Shapiro's actions, saying it had resolved many of these issues with the DEP, adding, "We self-reported the issues to DEP, agreed to a civil penalty of $2.4 million, and have since established one of the most comprehensive lead service line replacement programs in the nation." Shapiro said his criminal action could lead to additional fines, but the money was
not going to end up in some slush fund in Harrisburg. It's going to stay right here in this community.
It's one thing to charge a government agency like the PWSA with criminal violations. It's quite another to levy fines on a government agency when it's ratepayers, taxpayers, who basically fund the agency. So, will a fine against the PWSA mean higher rates for city ratepayers? I asked Shapiro that directly.
We believe PWSA has the means to pay whatever fine is ultimately levied without jacking up the rates of people here in Pittsburgh.
Now, the PWSA did not comment on possible rate hikes, but did say that additional fines, quote, would only divert ratepayer dollars that would otherwise be used for critical water quality improvement projects and programs. Shapiro today said he was only bringing criminal actions against the agency, not any individuals within the agency. But one county official says there should have been greater scrutiny of the individuals behind the PWSA's failures. We're going to have more on that story, new at 6. Christine?